Hello friends, so today I will teach you how to switch workspace in Eclipse. First we will learn how to create workspace, then we will learn how to switch workspace. So this is my Eclipse, I will open it. So while opening, it asks me which workspace I should open, which workspace should Eclipse launch. So by default, it is your C drive users and username and then the Eclipse workspace. So by default, all your projects will be stored in the Eclipse workspace, and this is created by Eclipse. So if you want a new workspace, you can just create here itself. I will write Eclipse projects. I will click on launch. So it is launched and this is my new workspace. So since this is the first time I'm opening this, so it showed me the welcome page. So now you can create your Java project, your classes here. If I want to switch to the old workspace, I will go to File, Switch Workspace, and this is my old workspace, Eclipse workspace. I will click on it. Now it will open the old workspace. So this is my old workspace. And again, you can go to File, Switch Workspace, and go to your Eclipse projects workspace. So this is how you create a new workspace in Eclipse and then switch to that workspace. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.